get them all turned over here. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Which letter you want to do first? What letter is that?
A.
A?
Right here.
There you go. Where's the B go? Where's Bert? There he is.
D.
G? Alright, where's G? Where's Grover at? You see Grover? There it is.
O.
O?
O.
Where's Oscar? There it is. Good job. The J? Alright, remember where the jelly is? There you go. Where's the W go?
Right here.
There you go. Now push that in. Whoop. That's an N. So where's the nest of eggs?
Right here.
There you go. Twist it, yep. P. Where's the pumpkin at? See the pumpkin? Yep. Good job. Alright. Where's the X go? You see the X-ray? You see the skeletons?
Right here.
There you go.
C.
C. You know where that goes. Cookie Monster. Where's Cookie Monster at? Right there. There you go. Where's the V go? Where's the violin at? Yeah, good job. Where's the M go? Oh, you found it right away. You gotta turn it. Oh, yeah, you got it. Good job. U. Where's the umbrella? Q. Well, you found that one right away. That's a K for kite. Where's the kite? Good job. Where's the R at? It's green. Yep. That goes right in there. H, where's the horse? There it is.
It's called some rock.
Where's Z go?
That's like
Is that E? So where's Ernie?
here.
Right there, yep. Right there. Good job for D.
Here. That.
There it is, yep. Good job, not many left.
Now.
Where's the ice cream? You know where the ice cream is.
Here.
Right. You got the L? Where's the L? Where's the lemon? Where's the lemon at?
That's right. Around.
Yep, turn around. There you go. Where's Snuffleupagus at? There he is. S.
This one.
F. Where's the football? You love your football. T. The tree. Yep, there's the T. Only one left. Where's the Y go? Where's the yo-yo? There it is. Good job. You got all of them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S T U V W X Y Z.
Close it up.
You want to close it up? All right.
What's the finger?
Watch my fingers. There it is.
Elmo.
Elmo.
Elmo!
Now I know my ABCs.
That's my thing to say. Wow.